ever noticed how the tiniest chargers can unleash the biggest power? Today, I'm revealing 6-pixel 10 Pro Mini wall chargers that pack maximum punch in the smallest size. Welcome to my channel. Links are in the description so you can grab your favorite and charge smarter, faster, and lighter. The number 6 product on our list is Spigen 100-watt USB-C charger. Power that feels unstoppable in such a compact form is rare, yet this charger proves that size doesn't define strength. Delivering a full 100W output, it instantly transforms the way you charge everything from laptops to phones, cutting waiting times and giving you that sense of freedom modern users crave. The intelligent power diffusion is where peace of mind really comes in, balancing output across 2 devices so nothing feels slowed down or underpowered. Compared to traditional bricks, its GaN technology keeps it cooler, smaller, and far easier to slip into a pocket or bag, tested for real-world comfort and designed for people who move fast. Foldable prongs make it travel-ready, while universal USB-C compatibility ensures future-proof reliability. Some might find the lack of proprietary super-fast charging for niche brands a limitation, but for most users, it delivers safety, speed, and relief from charging anxiety. We only recommend what's truly worth it, and this is a smart, lasting choice for power without compromise. At number 5 is Pxwaxpy C1C8 Watt USB-C charger. Raw charging muscle packed into a body this compact feels almost unreal. Yeah, that's exactly what this 128-watt powerhouse delivers. Imagine powering a MacBook, a Pixel, and your earbuds all at once without ever feeling slowed down. That's the kind of efficiency people crave, but rarely find. The GaN, though, 3-chip technology is where it truly shines, keeping it cooler, safer, and 50% smaller than bulky traditional bricks, tested for real-world comfort and built for people who want their gear to move as fast as their lifestyle. The 3-port setup adds flexibility, letting you swap between laptops, tablets, and phones effortlessly, while protections against overheating and overcharging give that sense of relief when leaving devices plugged in overnight. Some might note the absence of an included cable as a drawback, but the trade-off for sheer power density and wide compatibility makes it worth every penny. We only recommend what's truly worth it, and this charger feels like the smart, future-proof choice for maximum energy in minimum space. At number 4 is MINIX NEO P3 100-watt USB-C charger. Power this compact rarely feels this versatile, yet that's exactly what the MINIX NEO P3 delivers, a 100-watt GaN charger designed to shrink bulk without sacrificing speed. Imagine charging a laptop, a Pixel, and 2 more devices all at once and still feeling like nothing is slowing down. That's the kind of performance tested for real-world comfort and built to handle modern demands. The 4-port setup with 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A means no juggling cables or prioritizing which device matters more, while GaN technology keeps it cooler, smaller, and more efficient than outdated silicon blocks. Foldable prongs and global plug converters transform it into a travel essential, making it feel like a safety net for productivity on the road. While it does distribute power when fully loaded, the reassurance of consistent output and built-in protections against overheating and surges offers peace of mind. We only recommend what's truly worth it, and this charger brings relief, speed, and portability together in one smart package. The third one on our list is TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt USB-C charger. Sometimes it's the little details that completely change how you charge, and the TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt proves it, with a design that feels engineered for real life. From the moment you slide out its retractable cable, there's this instant sense of freedom. No tangled mess, no wasted space, just pure convenience tested for real-world comfort. Delivering up to 67 watts with dual-chip optimization, it charges a phone to 30% in minutes, or pushes enough power to keep a MacBook running without breaking stride. The integration of GaN 3 tech not only keeps it compact, but ensures cooler, more efficient charging that gives you peace of mind on long days. What sets it apart is the smooth flex system, stepless adjustments that adapt to wherever you're working, traveling, or just winding down at home. While heavier laptops may not hit peak speed, for most devices it feels like a smart, future-ready solution. We only recommend what's truly worth it, and this charger earns that trust. Number 2 is Belkin 65-watt USB-C charger. Power and portability rarely blend this seamlessly, yet the Belkin 65-watt USB-C charger pulls it off with ease, making it a strong contender among compact wall chargers built for maximum performance. The first thing that grabs attention is its ability to push a phone to 50% in under half an hour, delivering that sense of relief when you're rushing out the door. With dual USB-C ports, it balances power smartly, enough to handle a MacBook and a phone at the same time without leaving you waiting. Built on GaN technology, it runs cooler, wastes less energy, and stays impressively compact, which is a blessing for travel bags already crammed with gear. While it may not fully replace a 100-watt unit for heavy-duty laptops, for everyday devices it feels like a thoughtful, future-proof companion. Tested for real-world comfort and designed with trust in mind, this charger delivers confidence, speed, and efficiency in a package we only recommend when it's truly worth it. And moving to the last one is UGREEN 100-watt USB-C charger. Raw power in a pocket-sized design is exactly what the UGREEN 100-watt USB-C charger delivers, redefining what we expect from high-capacity wall chargers. Imagine fueling a MacBook Air to over half its battery in less than 30 minutes. That kind of speed transforms pressure into peace of mind, especially during busy schedules. With 4 ports working in harmony, it charges laptops, tablets, phones, and accessories at once, replacing the chaos of multiple adapters with one reliable hub. Built on GaN technology, it stays cooler and runs more efficiently, while the foldable plug makes it slip easily into travel bags. Safety isn't an afterthought either. Intelligent sensors continuously monitor temperature and adjust output for maximum stability. Sure, some Dell and Lenovo models may not hit full speed, but for most mainstream devices, it feels like future-proof performance. Tested for real-world comfort and designed for everyday trust, this compact powerhouse is one of those rare upgrades we recommend without hesitation because it truly delivers. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Google Pixel 10 Pro Mini wall chargers with max power. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.